Hi guys, and welcome to Total Technik. In this video we're working on the Audi A6, S6 and RS6, the C5 platform, and today we're going to be showing you how to remove your clock spring or your squib. So let's take a look. So for the removal of the clock spring here, or the squib, you've got to do a bit of strip down work obviously to gain access to this. You need to first remove your airbag, then you're going to need to remove your steering wheel, and then you're also going to need to remove your upper and lower steering wheel cowls, and that'll get you to this position here. Now we've recorded videos on how to remove all of those parts for you already, so if you scroll down below this video on YouTube, we'll have links for you there, so you can go and check out those bits: airbag, steering wheel, upper and lower steering wheel cowl. If you're unsure on how to remove those, use those videos to get yourself to this stage, and then we can focus on the clock spring. Okay, now be careful when we lift this forward. So we do have some electrical connectors, but you can either disconnect those now or disconnect them when we draw the whole thing forward, which is probably easier, got better access. But if you kind of grab hold of the thing, give it a wobble, on the bottom it's got like a kind of a little pin on it that sits in a little socket, so the bottom tends to release quite easily compared to the top. So I'll show you the top edge, and then we'll be able to unclip the top, and then we can move this whole thing forward, and that'll give us the access to the electrical connectors. So on the top here you've got a little kind of little arm there that's holding it on here, and likewise another arm there. So what I'm going to do is just release these two arms like so, and gently going to lift the whole thing forward, and that's going to give us the access we need to these electrical connectors. So to get these removed, this one's just got a little tab on it. Press that down, give it a wobble, that should come out. There we go. The yellow one there, actually I get the black one. See, the black one's also got a little tab, bang in the middle, press that down, give that a bit of a wobble, that'll come free. And then the yellow one, a little bit trickier, it's got little ears on it, they don't always come free, these ones. There we go. So as you guys can see, that's your clock spring, aka your squib, completely removed from the car, ready to be repaired or replaced, whatever it is you need to do.